In this video, we are going to create part 2, which is the insert of the National 5 graphics hand sanitizer task. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click New, and then Standard Millimeter. Now you can revolve the insert, or you can use Extrude. Given the dimensions, I am going to use Extrude for this part, because if we do revolve, it's just going to take some more looking into each dimension, whereas all of the dimensions given sets us up quite well for just doing extrudes on top of each other. So I'm going to start off with the very bottom, so I'm going to start a sketch, and then this time I'm going to click the XZ plane, and with the circle tool I am going to draw a circle at 8 millimeters, and then press Finish Sketch. For the 8 millimeters, I am going to click Extrude, and I'm going to extrude it up 85 millimeters and press OK. Now, the bottom of the insert has a kind of diagonal line on the cutoff at the bottom. So we're going to look at doing this. So I'm going to find a plane that runs down the middle, and I'm going to right click it and turn on the visibility. I'm then going to start a sketch on that plane. Now you can press F7 on your keyboard to half the shape, and it'll make it a little bit easier for us to see the sizes. So we can see that we have the line at 7, and then it goes up at a 45-degree angle. So I'm going to go along the bottom to 7, press Enter, and then I'm going to press Tab to set it at 45 degrees. And then I'm going to click once I get to the yellow dot of the line, and then connect it back down to the 7. So I've went along 7, up at 45 degrees until I've hit the line of my circle, and then back down to join the 7. I'm then going to finish the sketch and click Extrude. You can see that automatically it wants to make it 3D. So we're going to first of all change the distance, change the direction to direction symmetric, which is the third one along. And then we're going to go down to cut so that it cuts it out, and press OK. And you can see here it's cut out the angle at the bottom. Next, we're going to start building up each part of the insert. So the next circle we can see on the dimensions is a circle of 12. So I'm going to start a sketch on the top, and using the circle tool, I'm going to click at the center of the circle and make it 12, and then finish the sketch. And then I'm going to extrude this up 25 and press Enter, so that I've got this top part here. On top of this circle, so I'm going to start a sketch on top again. This time I'm going to do a circle at 15 and finish the sketch. And we are going to extrude up 10. On top of that one, again, I'm going to start a sketch at 20. Make a circle at 20. And then finish sketch. And for this one, we are going to go up 30, so extrude 30. On top of that circle, we're going to look at the biggest circle of all of 35. So start a sketch on the top and draw a circle at 35. And this one is going to be extruded up 15. And then the last one of the circles is the top circle. So not the very top, the one that's extrude subtracted, but the one below it, which is 25. So again, I'm going to start a sketch and do a circle at 25 and finish the sketch. And the circle at 25 is going to go up 7. So extrude that up 7. Now I'm going to look at shelling the object. So you can see that the object has been shelled to 1 millimeter. So I'm going to click shell. I'm going to make sure it's 1 millimeter, and then I'm going to click the very bottom to shell it through the bottom, and then press OK. And in order for the pump part to fit into the insert, we need to create a circle for it. So I'm going to start a circle at the top again, this time making it 10. And then we're going to extrude it, but this time extrude subtract it down 5. So I'm going to click extrude, change it to 5, but this time I'm going to change it to direction 2 and make sure it's set to cut. And that gives us our insert. We can then go up to File, Save As, and save it into our OneDrive.